I would like to talk about finding your process. What does it mean to find your process as an actor? In my experience, the journey is a very personal one. As you find your way in building your craft, it's important to know that everything that was created by the legendary acting teachers were the result of passion for the art form of acting and experimentation. The craft was created step by step by these different people to find out what works and find out what creates authenticity, to find out what actors need to do to transform. All of these things are the result of experimenting. So there's not necessarily a right or wrong. It's important to learn the fundamentals of what's out there, but then at the end of the day, you make your own decisions. It's important to remember that there is no method, that the method is up to you. You have to build your own method and your own way of creating a character that works for you. Something that you believe in, something that you enjoy, something that makes you feel the joy of acting and makes you feel creative and empowered. As you're out there learning different techniques, the most important thing is that you feel inspired and excited and empowered by it. If it's something that takes away your joy, for example, you should run as fast as you can to another acting class. Some actors respond to the process of using themselves in creating a character. Some actors don't respond to that, and they respond more to just using your imagination. You have to trust what you get excited by. I wish you all the luck in the world with your journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Go to the description below for links to my website as well as my free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.